Hey guys, in this video we will look at the agent lifecycle again, and this time we'll look at the deletion of agents in Copilot Studio. So what we will look at it is mostly agents that are published to M365 Copilot and Teams, because there is some complexity to this, and there are a couple of steps to this that we need to think about. So without wasting any time, let's go to the next slide. So how do you delete an agent? So what I've tested and do recommend is that you first and foremost go to your Copilot Studio agent and remove the channel if it's Teams or M365 Copilot. And then after this, you block the agent in the M365 Admin Center. This can also be done in the Teams Admin Center. And there is some delay to be expected here with Teams. And what I've seen in one of my customers is that some of the users will still see the agents since they have not downloaded, but installed the app of the agent, the app, which is a Teams app. And this takes some time, but you can uninstall this and you can uninstall the or delete and block the app, as we will see later in Teams Admin Center. In Copilot Studio, you just go to agents, choose your agent, delete, and you will be prompted to enter the name of the agent, copy paste, and delete the agent. So um, when you delete the agents, the associated data is also deleted. So I tested it today, and the Azure app registration actually gets deleted. So we will look at this together now in our Power Platform Admin Center. Let's bring it over here. So in the Power Platform Admin Center, you do have this overview of Copilot Studio agents. So in the Manage and Copilot Studio, and from there you can just press on the agent, and the agent will bring you to Copilot Studio. So I do have an approval agent here. This agent is published to Teams, and in channels I can just choose channels, and once I'm here I can see Teams. Let's see. Yeah, it's not published to Teams, so let's just do the publish to Teams from here now. And yeah, it is published to Teams. So what I would do here first is I would remove the channel. And once I remove the channel, you will notice that I will get the deleting channel up here. The channel was deleted. Good. Step one is done. And then I would go to integrated apps, or basically there are a couple of ways to do this in the admin M365 admin center. When you go to integrated apps, you can block the app from here, or you can go to the agents in Copilot here, and you will see remove or block here. So I will use the agents since this is the recommended way. This is where the inventory lives. So all the agents will appear here. And as you can see here, I've chosen custom agents. Let me just close this. Custom agents, and I have two agents built in Copilot Studio, and they're supported in Copilot and Teams. So I will choose my agent again, and I will remove the agent from here. So block the agent, can yeah if can't install or use it, it will be removed from any user who has already installed. So I do block the agent from here. And in the Teams admin center, you can also do the same thing. You can block the app, the Teams app, and you can manage availability. No one can install it until you unblock the app. So you've done that. You can also delete from here, and I recommend you delete if you're planning to delete the whole agent. So let's go back to my agent here. In agent approval, the channel is deleted, and now I go back to agents and get the overview in my production environment. I do have the agent approval here, so there is this here, delete, and as I said, copy paste. Let's see there, Control C, delete. So to delete the agent, you do need some roles, which we will cover in a later session, which covers deep in depth what roles you need to be able to do these actions inside the admin center. So we have deleted the agent. Approval agent has been deleted. So let's go to Azure and check what if the Azure app registration is still there. So let's see here, owned applications and agents approval. Yeah, that's not there anymore. So let's double check the name actually. So yeah, the agent is gone from there too. So it got deleted from here. And that's a good thing since you don't have to do the double work of deleting it from here. approval. Not here either. That's good. So now we have covered some steps. We have deleted the agent in Copilot Studio. We have done the M365 deletion, and in Teams we've also done the same thing. So quick step two, this is just checking that the Entra app registration are no longer needed. You check them if they aren't deleted, and check all the orphan artifacts if they're deleted. If you created some manual authentication, this has to be also deleted, and make sure they're all gone. And if you connected your Copilot Studio agent to Viva Insights, please make sure that you actually check the connection and see if the data is still there, and delete it if you need to delete it. So that's it for this session. That's the steps to delete an agent in Copilot Studio and remove it from the M365 Copilot and Teams. So the next session would be more about Copilot Studio governance and the licensing strategies on how to use the pay as you go and the capacity packs. Thank you, guys.